Welcome to the LibGuide tutorial for government documents at Brackett Library. When you first enter the guide, this is the first page you'll see. It's home to this video tutorial, a short description, and information about the Federal Depository Libraries in Arkansas. The quick links and profile boxes are available on every page of this LibGuide, and they are a handy way of accessing more information or contacting me if you need any assistance. The box at the bottom shows a list of all the selective depository libraries in Arkansas. The regional depository library here is the Arkansas State Library in Little Rock. You can click on this link to learn more about the Federal Depository Libraries program. The second tab is Documents in the Library, and that shows the print materials housed in the library. The box in the middle highlights some of our government document books. If you hover over the title, you will see a brief description of each item. Right below that, we have some materials on citing government documents. The box on the left, we see several print reference materials, including an encyclopedia, a dictionary, and an index in microform. The box on the right shows a very small list of American government biographies. You can use the catalog quick link to search for more biographies in the library. The Online Resources tab shows the most prominent online government sources. The links in the center box are all free and open access and are constantly being updated. Beneath that shows our databases that we have paid access to. These are excellent quality databases that can help you find peer-reviewed secondary sources. The box on the left shows different dictionaries, encyclopedias, and guides available in ebook format through the library. And then the box on the right shows a list of major government websites, including USA.gov and the websites for Congress, the House of Representatives, and the Senate. The Maps tab displays a few of the maps found on the CIA World Factbook website, which I have a link to in the bottom box. There's also information about the print maps we have available upstairs in the library, along with a few more links to government maps. The last tab is Census Statistics and State Information. The center box gives a few links to statistical sites, including data.gov and Data.USA. However, we do have a few statistics in print format, as you can see here on the left. The census box at the bottom of the page shows three different areas. The first tab is for news. Clicking Search will display a new tab with the current census news. The History tab has links to a couple of online historical statistics. And finally, the Important Links tab will direct you to the sites that tell you everything you've ever wanted to know about the census. The box on the right here shows the list of important Arkansas state government sites, including the Arkansas State Library and GovTrack, which shows a directory of Arkansas congressmen and a map of the congressional districts.